Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. Buster's just chilling. It's hot here during the summertime. Today we're gonna make a family favorite, my twist on a quiche Lorraine. Very simple and easy to make. I'm not gonna roll out pie doughs. I'm just gonna show you how I make it for my family fast and easy. All right, let's get started. This is our ingredients that we're using today. I have some heavy cream, I have some onions, eggs, fresh thyme, some Gruyere cheese, or you can use Swiss, some Boar's Head deli ham, beautiful ham, some Marie Callender's pie shells, 2 pie shells. Love these, they work great. All right, let's get started. First thing we want to do is par bake these pie crusts, because you never want a quiche where you cut into it and the pie crust on the bottom is still raw. I hate that. I always love a nice crispy crust anytime you're eating a pie or a quiche, anything. So we thawed these out overnight. We put them in the refrigerator to thaw out. Now we just take a fork and you just want to poke all around pie crust. The sides all the way around. You're just doing that so it gets an even cook. And then do the other one, because we're doing 2. All right, there, now we're gonna throw these in the oven and par cook them 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes till it gets a nice firm crust on the bottom. All right, so now we're gonna prepare the onion. All right, I like to cut them in half and then julienne them as fine as you can. And then we're gonna saute these a little bit, sweat them down. Because you don't want to throw raw onions in. You get that harsh flavor right off from the onions. You want a nice smooth flavor. Right, there you go. All right, so we're gonna saute the onions just a little bit. Throw a little bit of butter in there. Now we're not looking to brown this, we're just looking to sweat them down and start getting the flavors out of it. To take that harsh bite off from the onion. Turn it up a little bit more. Now these are sweet, this is a sweet onion I bought. So I love the flavor of a nice sweet onion. Maui sweet onions are the best though, to me. Continuing to sweat down the onions. Almost there. And you guys know the drill. I like to season everything. Where every layer in this thing has flavor. All right, we'll put this aside. And we'll start the other stuff. We're gonna grate our Gruyere cheese. I like Gruyere cheese, it's nice flavorful. I mean, you can use Swiss too, but Gruyère's just got a little more stinky cheese in it. You're gonna love the flavor in this. Oh, there's my timer. All right, there's the cheese. All right, there's our ham. Now we're gonna slice it up. There you go. All right, there's all our ingredients ready to go. The pie crust just came out of the oven, par baked. Took about 12 minutes at 400 degrees, and they're perfect. All right, let's get this mixed and put together. Look at those beautiful pie crusts, par cooked perfectly. All right, so now we're gonna set up the pie crust. We're gonna take cheese first, throw in the bottom. We're just gonna do a nice layer. Can't ever have too much cheese. Okay. I'm gonna take that onions that we sauteed. Make sure you get them all the way around. You want every piece you cut. You want to have flavor of everything. Now the ham. I like a lot of ham. You can substitute the ham for bacon if you want, or you can put ham and bacon. That's the good thing about cooking. You can cook it how you want it, and the flavors you love. I've even seen people put bell pepper in this. It's all the ham. I put a little more ham more than usual because I love ham. I love onions. I love cheese. I love it all. So now I'm going to take a few sprigs of this thyme, fresh thyme in here, just for a little added flavor. You don't want any sticks in it. You just want the leaves. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but like I said, I love flavor. I've always had chefs that say, hey, what makes your food different from others? You know, it could be adding one little tiny ingredient like this that would make the difference of making that dish ordinary to extraordinary. All right, that's enough. You just want just a hint of it. And we're gonna throw the rest of this cheese over. Told you we're layering it. This is gonna be so good. Make sure it's all spread out. And there you go. Now we just gotta add the eggs and the cream. There's our eggs. All right, now we throw our heavy cream in. It's 3/4 cup. Just do a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. There we go. Now I'll pour them in the pie shells and we'll get this baby cooking. There you go. Fill the pie shells up. Now we're gonna throw these in at 350 while we're waiting for the quiche. I have some nice strawberries that I'm just gonna cut some garnish. Cut it like that so you can fan it. So it looks like that. Nice garnish. You know, everybody loves a beautiful plate. And the great thing about this kind of garnish, you can eat it. Alright, there you go. We got the garnish. Now I'll wait till the quiche comes out. Alright, let's check in on the quiche. Looking good. It's a little jiggly though. A little jiggly. But now we're going to put some foil over it and then put it back in. Well, just pulled these out. Yeah, I had the oven at 375 for 25 minutes. Then cover them with foil and cook them for another 10 minutes. And now I'm going to let them sit for about 10 minutes. And then I'll cut a piece and we'll see what we get. But be careful with the foil, because as you can see on this pie, as you can see on this one, the foil kind of pulled off a little bit of the layer on the top. So as chefs, hey, we make mistakes too. I didn't pay attention to the foil as good as I should have, but hey, accidents happen. But we have one beautiful, perfect pie or quiche, I mean. You know, accidents do happen in the chef's house too, but we roll with it. It's all good. Anyway, we'll check back after this rests for a little while, and we'll cut it and plate it. There you have it. Beautiful quiche. Can't ask for anything better than that. So moist and tasty. Came out perfect, and so much flavor. There you have it. A beautiful take on quiche Lorraine. Now we did that 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Took it out, covered it with foil, threw it back in for 10 to 12 minutes. Then we pulled it out, let it rest for 10 minutes before we cut it. Perfect. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see what we come up with on the next one. Aloha.